Alright folks, I'm here at the intersection of Beach Boulevard and Orange Avenue. Let's see what we can find. But first, YouTube algorithm doesn't like street videos like this, so make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share with a friend to make sure the video is successful. Oh look, the camera's already yelling at me. Okay, let's go. Here we are at Stonybrook Drive. Right across the street from the Holiday Inn Express. Yeah, they cracked down on this street. It's well lit and everything. And then I think over here they have one of those robot cameras that talks to you or whatever. Yeah, there it is. Okay, already I can see some activity at the Villa Inn. The Days Inn. Here's what's going on at the Days Inn. Not too much. Here's the patio area. I saw a lone person sitting on the steps. And then here's the office. Sold out. Huh. Blinking camera from where the rainbow and covered wagon once were. Okay, here you can see this neighborhood is blocked off to car traffic. I mean, you can easily get in there on foot, obviously, but they don't want people driving in and out of this neighborhood anymore. I think they put that barrier up a long time ago. The cobblestone apartments. Oh yeah, there's usually one lurking right here. But I think they cleared this area out and they're all across the street. Yeah, because look how well lit it is. This place used to be dark at nighttime. Yeah, the cobblestone. Yeah, this spot right here used to be dark at nighttime. Like no light. And there'd always be at least one just chilling right here. And then there used to be a bunch of tweakers just hanging out right here or setting up camp right here. You can see signs of activity. Okay, here we have the Shadow Park. Not too much going on at the Shadow Park. Here's their swimming pool. Ah, nice furniture. Well, this is ironic. Oh no, I guess it's usually lit exactly like this. Looks like... Wait, watch, I'll show you. Yeah, it looks like the extra mile's closed. But there's just a few people hanging out near it. And there's the cops, Anaheim police. Oh yeah, I've arrived at Beach and Ball. Here it is, the infamous Beach and Ball. It's 10:52 p.m. Saturday, May 16th. I'm here at the intersection of Beach Boulevard and Ball Road. One of the points of coming out here Saturday night is to compare it to Friday night. closed. That sign's shorting out all the way down there. Moving on, tattoo place. Alley looks pretty clear. Yeah, pretty nice and quiet. I think the activity's been driven away from here, a little north of Beach and Ball, near the motels, particularly the, what do you call it? Particularly the Motel Moonlight. There it is, big safes. Adventure City. Oh man, it kind of smells like dead animal. Once again, this area used to be active, so now it's blocked off from traffic. Hey, what's going on here? I see, this place is opened. Plus you got the obligatory people lurking in their cars. Club. TJ Showgirls. Whoa. Damn, I didn't realize that was a curb. That goes to show you, when you're riding in the darkness, always look down. Okay, here's where they keep all the mail trucks. There's the police camera. I can't see any activity. Hey, where's the street vendors aren't out? Huh, isn't this usually where they are? That's weird. You'd think they'd be out Saturday. Holy shit, that chick was drunk or on drugs. Wow, she can't even walk straight. She's skipping. Right there. Yeah, but here they are, two of them. One of them's in the liquor store, as you saw. Then one of them is just standing right there. Okay, I think here's another one. Nothing going on here. And then here's an area where a bunch of tweakers usually hang out. Not tonight.
Real bad if you walk real bad if
It's the same girl. The one where they tried to throw like a drink at her or something last Friday.
They say just trying to throw it at me and miss.
I'm pretty sure that was her. And another police camera. Of course, of course. Oh, I see some police activity up ahead. The Casa Playa. If you're a playa, come stay at the Casa Playa. Got an ATM. Ooh, an exercise bike. Wait. Yeah, see, you can exercise on the exercise bike. Got a little ATV. I am not a tweaker. I swear. I'm leaving right now. I just know stealth eyes are watching me. Oh yeah, the police activity. What am I getting distracted? The flashing lights of the Anaheim Police Department. And some guy who got pulled over. Okay, now I'm right next to the corner of Beach and Ball again. Here's the Hype Hair. Oh no, it's next to the pizza place. And this pizza place is, of course, Little Caesars. How could I forget? Little Caesars. I haven't had Little Caesars in a long time. Okay, you can only reinvent the wheel so many times. There's so many angles you can approach Beach and Ball. It's the activity that counts. You gotta be at the right place at the right time. Police activity, lot lizard activity, tweaker activity. Flying saucers landing, that sort of thing. Now it's 11:14. This is probably going to be the highest concentration of them up ahead. Only one way to find out. There's more. Okay, motel check. The Robin Hood. What kind of snacks do they have at the Robin Hood? The basic you would expect. Sahara. What could be going on at the Sahara? There's just some people standing right there. Doesn't look like the owner though. Could be. Hey, I don't remember them lighting this place up. Did they just start that? I literally can't remember. Last week I wasn't even paying attention. The Motel Moonlight. and the Villa Inn. I'd say it's about the, actually I'd say it's a little less busy than Friday, or maybe it just shifts to a different spot. I'll have to investigate next time. Yeah, I got to approach it a different way, like maybe, you know, check the side streets or something. Okay, this seems like a good place to end the video. If you like this, make sure to subscribe, share, like, comment, all that good stuff. Cheers.